Hello everyone. Today we're looking at the brilliance of Pompey. Specifically, we're going to look through the first 16 lines, just as a recap of what we did in class already. I'm afraid as I scanned these, I blurred the inner half of, or inner part rather, of the lines, so they are a bit blurry. Hopefully that doesn't impact your ability to follow it along too badly. So lines 1 to 5. Illud in primis mihi laetandum iure esse video, quod in hac insolita mihi ex hoc loco ratione dicendi causitalis oblata est. So here we have video, I see, in primis especially, that, and this is an indirect statement, there is to me a need, or it is needed by me, mihi being your dative agent, it is needed by me to rejoice, iure rightly, over the fact. So illud here is the fact. Quod, I guess because you could take it here as because talis causa, such a case, oblata est, has been offered to me ex hoc loco, from this place, in this ratione, in this or in hac ratione insolita, I guess, in this style dicendi of speaking. So ratione here would be style, dicendi of speaking. So your gerund there in the genitive case, insolita, unusual. So unusual mihi, to me. All right, so I see especially that I have reason to rejoice rightly over the fact that such a case has been offered to me from this place, in this style of speaking that is unusual to me. In qua, in which, and here it gets a little bit tricky. So in which a speech or speaking can or is able, deesse, to fail, nemini, no one, or rather the speech of no one is able to fail. What he really means by this is in which no one can fail to be eloquent, which I think the book glosses for us, and there's a far nicer way of saying it. Dicendum est, now this is an important one. It's an impersonal gerundive, not a gerund, but a gerundive of obligation. Okay, so literally it is needing to be said, or it must be spoken, right? Or one should speak, I think is a nice translation here. So enim, for one should speak, de naius, nai Pompei singulari eximiaque virtute. For one should speak about the about, I guess, Gnaeus Pompey as a remarkable singulare eximia and exceptional quae, man of merit. How I get to that is by looking at about. So one should speak about the remarkable and exceptional, I suppose, an exceptional virtute, virtue, Gnaei Pompei, of Gnaeus Pompey. All right, so one should speak about the remarkable and exceptional virtue of Gnaeus Pompey. Huius autem orationis difficilius est exitum, quam principium. Here we have in venire, here we have a nice comparative. So, however, autem is however, est difficilius, it is difficult, in venire, to find, exitum, an ending, or rather it is more difficult, sorry, I didn't highlight the comparative there, it is more difficult in venire to find to find, and ending, quam, than, in venire principium, to find a beginning. Huius, we come to the start of the sentence there for an emphatic position, huius of this orationis, of this speech. Ita, thus, quarendus est, it is needing to be found, mihi, dative agent, by me, not so much, so non tam copia, an abundance, we can imply the word words here, so an abundance of words, than modus, the manner in dicendo, in speaking them. So to put that into nicer English for you, thus, ita, thus, I must not try to find an abundance of words, but rather the manner of arranging them.